Yeah. So,
Hang on.
hey, come on,
We're
man.
in there. We're good. We're
Are
good.
we? We're coming
We're
in?
good?
Right,
Okay,
all right.
cool.
So, near misses. The fact that we do safety exercises in our workplace, particularly in the morning, we have a pre-start meeting, etc., etc., people think that then it's okay. You know, so we've done our safety bit for the day. So you may have near misses in the workplace. So forklifts. This example was brought to my attention the other day. Comes around a blind corner and almost strikes somebody with a forklift, and we say, hey, you know, we've almost had, you know, we could have had an incident here. No, it's all right. Geez, we missed. It's fine. It's fine. The problem is that there's traffic. There's clearly a traffic management problem, except instead of actually fixing it, it's sort of like, oh no, we've done our safety for the day. We've done our pre-start thing. I've done my take 5, so I've done my bit for that. If my quota's finished, I'm going home. That's all right. I can park safety over here while I go and get on with my job. Safe work doesn't exist, the same as we don't do quality work, we don't do timely work, we just work. Safety is part of that. So the thing is, where we come across near misses and things like that, if we're not aware, we can't manage what we can't see, and you can't manage what you can't measure. So if we're having near misses, it is probably the most critical lead safety metric that you can have, in the sense of actually finding out what's wrong and preventing incidents in your workplace in the future. It's simple. It allows you to have, it allows you to have a real life intervention into what could potentially hurt somebody. Without that sort of information, we end up with a dartboard dreaming about what potentially could be unsafe in a workplace, what potentially could hurt somebody, not something that almost did. And without that, we can't put the controls in place. So, like that, particularly with traffic management, like I say with a lot of things, if it's not a hard control, it's a temporary. If it's a soft control, it's a temporary fix. And when it comes to safety controls, we either go hard or we go home. It's either full tilt or fuck all.